My name is Alan Cutler. I teach geology here at MC on the Rockville campus, and I took part in the summer 2015 trip to Iceland. Iceland is on the bucket list of probably every geologist, so I was excited when I learned about the trip. Iceland has spectacular geological features, volcanoes and glaciers in particular, and it sits right on top of the boundary between two tectonic plates, the North American and Eurasian plates that are pulling apart. Volcanoes, glaciers, and plate tectonics are topics that I cover in all of my classes, so I'm able to use examples and images from Iceland in my teaching, not just the textbook material. The theme of the Montgomery College trip was sustainability, which made it especially appealing to me because it gave an opportunity to explore how geology intersects with human affairs. Sustainability refers to using Earth's resources in a way that doesn't deplete them and minimizes the impact on the environment. In Iceland, this means using volcanic heat for geothermal energy and generating hydroelectric power from glacial meltwater. And again, this adds to my teaching about geological resources. This semester, I'm expanding my coverage of geothermal power based on what I learned in Iceland. Maybe the biggest impact of the trip was that it confirmed my belief that there's no substitute for really being there. Going to Iceland allowed me to see with my own eyes and touch with my own hands things I've been teaching about for years, but really only knew from books. As for the students, they climbed mountains, hiked on a glacier, explored a lava tube, and had other experiences that could never be reproduced in a classroom. They actually walked on a bridge that linked two tectonic plates. There's a huge difference between this and seeing a PowerPoint slide of tectonic plates. It's the real thing. Not all geology students can go to Iceland, of course, but I've become more determined to find ways to get students out of the classroom to see things for themselves, whether on field trips with the class or self-guided excursions to local geologic sites or the Smithsonian museums. And of course, I'll encourage students to participate in the Study Abroad program to make their own discoveries of the world. It's a terrific opportunity for MC students, whatever the destination.